These mini chocolate bundt cakes are rich, flavorful and decadent. And best of all, sugar-free. Hi everyone, it's Cosmin from Dessertophilia, and today I'm showing you how to make sugar-free mini chocolate bundt cakes filled with whipped cream. In my mixing bowl I have 45 grams of butter and 115 grams of erythritol. Mix the two until you get a grainy mixture that looks something like this. Add 2 eggs and mix until the mixture is homogeneous and runny. To 115 grams of all-purpose flour, I added half a teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt. Sift these together with 25 grams of Dutch processed cocoa. Now mix this until you get a sticky dough that looks something like this. And now add 125 milliliters of whipping cream. Mix until you get a smooth batter and add 50 grams of small dark chocolate drops. I have these cute silicone mini bundt molds, but if you don't have any, use any non-stick molds you like. I find it easier to fill the molds using 2 small spoons. Bake the mini bundt cakes in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Allow the cakes 5 minutes to cool in the tin before unmolding. To fill the mini bunts, I'm using a decorating syringe fitted with a star tip. I had some whipped cream that I made in advance and I didn't sweeten it because I think it really balances out the intensity of the chocolate. So delicious. Until next time, Dessertophiles.